Hey guys, welcome to my channel Medicosis Perfectionalis. Today, let's try this case. You have a 64-year-old male coming to your office complaining of chest pain and coughing. You ordered a rontgenogram, which is a fancy word of saying just an x-ray. I know, I'm not funny. It showed a mass in the mediastinum. An excisional biopsy was performed, and you have a diagnosis of diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. On further investigation, there is multiple inguinal and iliac lymphadenopathy. First question, which stage is this disease using the Ann-Arbor classification? So the answer is third stage. Why is that? Because stage 1 is usually lymph node. Stage 2, you have 2 or more lymph nodes on the same side of the diaphragm. Stage 3, you have on both sides of the diaphragm. Stage 4, you have extra nodal stuff. Why not stage 4? Because there is no extra nodal. All of them, like mass in the mediastinum, lymphoma. Inguinal, iliac, lymphadenopathy, again, these are only lymph nodes. We didn't see hepatosplenomegaly, we didn't see CNS involvement, we didn't see pulmonary involvement, we didn't see testicular involvement, nothing. So we are not stage 4 yet, this is stage 3. So what's the treatment of choice? If you have stage 3 and you have this patient, okay, how about radiation? No. We have multiple lymph nodes in different locations. Radiation is not the best. Watch and wait. No, it's an aggressive lymphoma. Diffuse large B-cell lymphoma is an aggressive one. We cannot watch and wait. Watch and wait or observation is only for indolent lymphomas. How about arsenic trioxide? Could be, but I would rather not. Arsenic trioxide could help with AML subtype M3. How about ATRA? Same stuff. AML subtype M3. CHOP or R-CHOP? Okay, on evidence showed that R-CHOP is superior to CHOP. We need rituximab because rituximab is a monoclonal antibody against CD20 positive B-cell. And as you know, it's diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, so we need something against the B-cell such as rituximab. So the correct answer here is D. Hey, did you enjoy this video? Please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Until then, be safe, stay happy, and study hard. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis.